Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can easily create and generate the unique content from with the help of ChatGPT. I will tell you the technique and tricks to rank your website higher on Google Index, and you guys can easily get the Google AdSense approval and start earn money from the help of ChatGPT and Grammarly. Before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon button so you guys can get the notification of my upcoming videos. I open the three tabs. First the chat GPT itself, and the second one is Google, a simple Google search. Last one is Grammarly. You guys can just download the Chrome extension and sign up or log in Grammarly, then open the document. Then if you guys want to know what is ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT, or what is the login and sign up process, you can watch this video, or you guys can find it, this video in description as well. Let's start with ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT best healthy foods for weight loss. You guys may have different niche or different category of different blog article. You just follow these steps. These steps will be apply on every blog or article, and it will help you guys to rank your article on Google Index and Google AdSense approval as well. Just press enter. There are many healthy foods that can aid in weight loss. You can see the chat GPT straight away answering our question. Okay, the chat GPT has generated or created few content for us. Here you guys have to care about one thing, that just don't copy the entire text and paste in your blog or article, because maybe Google or Google AdSense will identify this content is written by the chat GPT, and the Google AdSense will deny and block this content, and your website will not be a rank. Just copy this text into the Grammarly, then paste it, or it will find the mistakes and other options. It is the passive voice, or just like you can just double click healthy, then it is providing these synonyms. Then for food, meals, eats, you just change these words, or you can also find the words for the Spanish. And let's try the fuller synonyms on Google, or fuller synonyms. Just try the filled, overflowing, crowded. You guys have to spend some time, because the research work is done by the chat GPT. Chat GPT is giving the complete and solution, complete answer, but you have to change some content according to your article. You just spend some little bit time like this. Just paste the content on Grammarly, or alternatively you guys can copy the chat GPT text and paste in notepad and in document for the Mac. Now there is a tools that identifies the robot generated or AI generated text as well. Just paste on notepad or documents in MacBook or Grammarly, then change its synonyms like sources to bases, seeds, origins, and just read the article or text like fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories. You can change the low words to lower, inferior, subordinate. And let's again go to the chat GPT and ask something else. Let's, can you describe the each point so your article or blog will become more lengthy and the word count has changed or increased. Then again, just don't copy and paste in your blog or article. Just copy these tags and paste into the Grammarly and change its synonym, or you can also use the other words, replace this. Let's write a intro paragraph for the above topic. Then it straight away start giving you the introduction. Lose weight is common goal for many people. Then just again copy this text and paste into the Grammarly, or it will ask you set your goals on Grammarly. You can choose according to you. Then let's try the journey. It is a premium version. Then you can go to the Google and search for the journey synonyms on the Google search engine, and it is saying the trip, ride, tour, track, flight, like this. And you can also use the many synonyms from the Grammarly: many, numerous, and multiple. Just click to double click that word, then the pop-up or drop down straight away open on your screen. Let's go to the again Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT, write a title for the above topic. Top 6 healthy food for effective weight loss. Yeah, you can rewrite or rephrase, or you can say let's rewrite. Yeah, it is giving very good 6 foods to incorporate into your diet for successful weight loss. Let's ask the keywords. Write the keywords to write a blog for above topic. Then it is saying the weight loss, healthy foods. These are the topics: fiber, nuts and seeds. Just copy these keywords and tags as your according to your blog, then paste it and change the words and articles, and just add few lines according to you and by yourself. Let Here is the option of, in this article we will explore some of the best healthy foods. You can change it. Today we will explore some of the best healthy foods for weight loss. You can see the premium suggestion will gone. Then our all score is 99%. Like this, while there are multiple fat diets, you can change it. Following are the multiple fat diets. By following these steps, you guys can index your website higher on Google, and you guys can easily get the approval from the Google AdSense. Just follow these steps, copy the ask the Chat GPT for the particular topic and copy the text or to the notepad or document and paste on the Grammarly. then change some words and rephrase or rewrite some text by yourself. Spend a little bit time and copy that text and paste on the blog. Maybe you are using WordPress and Blogger, then just use the image and proper keywords. You can ask the keywords from ChatGPT as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and comment on this video. Before going, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell icon button so you guys get the notification of my upcoming videos.